Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Navika Bhadak and today we are going to learn how to multiply numbers using the lattice method. So let's start. Our first number is 2314 multiplied by 157. So we have to make a box and we have to make 4 partitions here because it is a 4-digit number. Then we have to make 3 partitions here because it is a 3-digit number. Now we have to write the numbers here and here. 2314 multiplied by 157. Now what we have to do is we have to draw lines like this. And now we have to multiply these numbers. 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. So here we will write 4. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So we'll write 1. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Then 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 2 and here 0. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. And so we'll write 5. Then 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. So we'll write 1 and here 5. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So we'll write 1 here and 0 here. 7 fours are 7 with the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21, 7 fours are 28. So we'll write 2 here and 8 here. 7 1 the 7. So we'll write 0 here and 7 here. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 40, 7 3 is 21. So we'll write 2 here and 1 here. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So we'll write 1 here and 4 here. Now we'll have to add all these numbers. 8 will come as it is, then 7 plus 2 plus 0 which equals to 9. Then 5, 4 plus 2 which equals to 6. 6 plus 5 which equals to 11. 11 plus 1 which equals to 12. So we can't write 12 here. So 1 will be carry over and we'll write 2. Next 1 plus 4 equals to 5. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. 7 plus 5 equals to 12. 12 plus 1 equals to 13. So 1 is carry over and we'll write 3 here. Then 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5 and 5 plus 1 6. So we'll write 6 here. Then 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Then 0 we'll write as it is. Then our answer is 3 6 3 2 9 8. Our next example is 425 multiplied by 367. So first we have to draw a box. Then we have to make 3 partitions here because this is a 3-digit number. And also we have to make 3 partitions here because it is a 3-digit number. And now we have to write the numbers here and here. 425 multiplied by 367. Then we have to draw lines like this. Then we have to multiply these numbers. 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15. 1 here and 5 here. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. 0, 6. 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12. 1 here and 2 here. 6 5s are 30. 3 here and 0 here. 6 2s are 12. 1 here and 2 here. 6 6 4s are 6 4s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. 2 here and 4 here. Now 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 40. And 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21 and 7 4s are 28. So 2 here and 8 here. Now we have to add all the numbers. 5 as it is. Then 4 plus 3 equals to 7. And 8 plus 1 equals to 9. 9 plus 2 equals to 11. 11 plus 3 equals to 14. And 14 plus 5 is 19. But we can't write 19 here. So 1 will be carried over and we'll write 9 here. Then 6 plus 1 equals to 7. 7 plus 1 equals to 8. 8 plus 4 equals to 12. 12 plus 2 equals to 14. And 14 plus 1 equals to 15. So 1 will be carried over and we'll write 5 here. Then 0, then 2 plus 2 equals to 4 and 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So we'll write 5 here. Then 1 will be written as it is. So our answer is 1, 5, 5, 9, 7, 5. So this is our answer. So our next example is 9999 multiplied by 8888. So first we have to draw a box here and we have to make 4 partitions here because it is a 4-digit number. Now also we have to make 4 partitions here because it is a 4-digit number. Now we have to write here 9999 and here 8888. Now we have to draw lines like this. Now we have to multiply these numbers. 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72. Again 9 multiplied by 8 72. Again 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72. And 9 multiplied by 8 72. So 7 will come here and 2 will be written here. Then 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72. Again 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72. Then 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72. And also 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72. Now also 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72. 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72. 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72. And again 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72. 7 will come here and 2 will come here. Now 9 multiplied by 8 72. Then 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72. Then again 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72. So 7 will be written here and 2 will be written here. And then 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72. So now what we have to do is we have to add these numbers in the rows. So 2 will be written as it is. Then 7 plus 2 equals to 9 and 9 plus 2 equals to 11. So 11 we can't write here. So 1 will be carried over and 1 will be written here. Now 2 plus 7 equals to 9, 9 plus 2 equals to 11, 11 plus 7 equals to 18, 18 plus 2 equals to 20 and 20 plus 1 equals to 21. So 2 will be carried over and 1 will be written here. Then 7 plus 2 equals to 9, 9 plus 2 equals to 11, 11 plus 7 equals to 18, 18 plus 2 equals to 20, 20 plus 7 equals to 27, 27 plus 2 equals to 29, 29 plus 2 equals to 31. So 3 will be carried over and 1 will be written here. Then again 7 plus 2 equals to 9, 9 plus 7 equals to 16. 16 plus 2, 16 plus 2 equals to 18. 18 plus 7 equals to 25. Then 25 plus 2 equals to 27. 27 plus 7 equals to 34. And 34 plus 3 equals to 37. So 3 will be carried over and 7 will be written here. Now 7 plus 3 equals to 10, 10 plus 2 equals to 12, 12 plus 7 equals to 19, 19 plus 2 equals to 21 and 21 plus 7 equals to 28. So 2 will be carried over and 8 will come here. Now 7 plus 2 equals to 9, 9 plus 7 equals to 16, 16 plus 2 equals to 18. So 1 will be carried over and 8 will be written here. Now 7 plus 1 equals to 18. So the answer is 8, 8, 8, 7, 1, 1, 1, 2. So that's all for today. I hope you understood the topic how to multiply any number using the lattice method. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye. Meet you in the next video.